kids, happy to see you once again. So today in the maths class we are going to see unit 6 information processing. So information processing, what is information processing? So here certain informations are given. Using this information we are going to process the information and get the solution. Okay. For example, here 4 color boxes are given here. You have 2 color pencils, namely black and white. Use these color pencils to write the name of each color. Okay. Show us all the possibilities of writing the names of the color such that each color box should have names in each color pencil only once. One is done for you. See the example. So here you have 2 color pencils. One is white color pencils, another is black color pencil. You have to write the name of the color. So red color written in white color pencil and black color pencil. Then here you have to written in white color and black color. What is the color here? This is pink. So first I write in black color. P-I-N-K, pink. This is yellow. So write in black color pencil, yellow. So this is green. So next, the same color you have to write in white color pencils. So take your white color pencils and write it. This is pink, yellow, green. So write it in white pencil now. Okay. Okay. The next one is, so here 4-digit number is given here, 5371. So how many 2-digit numbers can be created using the above number without repeating them? So how to form a 2-digit number? So first take one number 5, the first digit 5, and other 3 numbers here 371. So 53 form the first number and second 5751. In the same way, second one is 3. So take the second digit 3 and all other numbers here 571. So the arrow mark, go to this arrow mark and form the numbers 3 and 5, 35, 37, 37, 31, 31. Likewise, remaining numbers digit, take the third digit, this is fourth digit. Okay, take one by one all the digits and remaining digits in the second place and form the number. Okay, let us do the exercise now. Here, so the first problem given here is, so exercise number 6.1, page number 74-75. First problem is 972. So write all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed without repeating these numbers. How many numbers can be formed? Okay, first take the first number 9. Okay, 9, and then the remaining 2 numbers are 7. So we have to form all the 3 digits number. So here 2. Okay, so the number formed here is 97, here 92. Okay, first one. Second one, second digit is 7, and then the remaining numbers are 9, 2. Form the numbers 7, 9, 7, 2. And third digit, what is the third? 2. 9, remaining is 9, 7. So form the numbers 2, 9, 2, 7. So the question is how many numbers? All the possible numbers are these. Okay. And here write it. So the numbers, possible numbers are 97, 92, 79, 72, 29, 27. Write all the numbers. Okay. So how many numbers formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers can be formed. Okay. So the next question, You have to choose a tiffin and a drink from the given menu of a hotel. List the possible combinations. How many combinations are possible? Here tiffin items are given. Idli, puri, dosai, pongal. Drink, tea, coffee, milk. So you have to choose one tiffin and one drink. What are the possible combinations? Okay. Let us see the answer. First we will take idli. Take idli and three possible drinks are tea, coffee, milk. Okay. So tea, coffee. So I am taking as tea. This is coffee as C. Milk as M. Tea, coffee, milk, idli. So next puri. So puri. Puri, three combinations. Tea, coffee, milk. Next dosai. Dosai, again three combination. Tea, coffee and milk. Next pongal. Again three combination. Tea, coffee, milk. Okay. So the question is how many combinations are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many combinations? 12 combinations are possible. Okay. So next question. Third question. Kavin has 4 cards 9, 7, 4, 6. List down all 3-digit numbers possible with these cards without repetition. So now you have to form 3-digit number. Okay. So to form 3-digit number, first to form 2-digit number from this and then 3-digit number. I will give you one example here. The first digit, take the first digit 9. Okay, and then the remaining digits 7, 4, 6. So you will form here 2-digit number. We need 3-digit number. Okay, so here 9, 7. After 9, 7, 9, 7 over, the remaining is 4, 6. So for 7, write 4 and 6. So for 4, the remaining is 7 and 6. 7, 6. For 6, the remaining is 7 and 4. So see, first take 9 and then remaining 7, 4, 6 and 9, 7 over, the remaining 2 numbers write. Okay. So here 9, 4 over means remaining 2 numbers. 9, 6 means remaining 2 numbers. Write like this. So go through in this way. 9, the arrow mark. Go to the arrow mark likewise. 9, 7, 4. So this will give the number 9, 7, 4. So second 9, 7, 6. This way. 9, 7, 6. So what is this number? 9, 4 and then from 4 to 7. 9, 4, 7. This is 9, 4, 6. This is 9, 6, 7 and this is 9, 6, 4. So I will write one more example. Okay. 7. Take the second digit 7. I am taking the second digit 7. So 3 possible combinations for 7 is the remaining 9, 4, 6. 9, 4, 6. So for 7, 9 over. So remaining 2 you have to write it for 9. 4, 6. For 4 the remaining 2 9, 6. For 6 the 9, 4. So form the number here 1, 2, 3 digits. So 794. 796. For this 796. For this number come from 749. This number 746. This number 769. For this number 764. Okay. So for remaining 4 and 6 try to fill. Okay. Here 4, it is a homework. Okay. 4 and 6. Form 3-digit number from this. Start from 4. So you have to write 976 here and then the remaining 2 digit and form the 2 digit. Okay. Okay. So remaining this you have to complete. Here next one is, what is the largest 4-digit odd number? So 4-digit odd number you have to find out that can be made without repeating the numbers. Okay. So from what number you have to make? From the number 9746. The odd number from 9746. So the largest number you have to form means you have to write this number in descending order. Okay. First try to write in the descending order. So the descending order means 9 is first biggest number, next 7, next 6, 4. This is the largest number. But they are asking for odd number. So this is even. So what should we do is, we have to find out the smallest odd number here. Which one is smallest odd? Here 9 and 7 are smallest, 9 and 7 are odd number. So in 9 and 7, which one is small? 7 is small. So write this 7 in the last place. Okay. So in the last place write 7. So remaining you have to write in the descending order. So 9. Next 6, 4. Which one is biggest? 6. Next 4. So this is the largest 4-digit odd number. Understand? So in the odd number you have to find out the smallest odd number. Place that smallest odd number in the last place. After that you can place all other biggest number, all other numbers in descending order. Okay. So it will give you smallest, that is largest 4-digit odd number. Okay. Okay. Next one is, there are 6 sprinters A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So sprinters means nothing but an athlete. They can run fast in the race. Okay. They are athletes. Sprinters means athletes. They participate in running race. Okay. List out the possible combinations that they win the 3 medals: gold, silver and bronze. Okay. So these are 6 running race sports person. So either A1 may get gold medal. Okay. So A1 get gold medal means, and A2, A3. So 6 members are there. So A1 get gold medal means either A2 here, A3 get silver and bronze. Okay. So, or if A1 gets gold and A4, A5 may gets silver and bronze. Okay. Or another combination, A1 here, A2, A5. Like this you can form. Okay. So remaining you can form as a homework. Okay. So the next one, A2 can get gold and other 2 can get silver and bronze. Like that you have to combine all these 6. Okay. Okay, the next one is Next we are going to collect and represent data in the form of bar graph. So bar graphs means, what is bar graph? For example, so Amrita was given a task of maintaining record for stationery items in her home. Okay, she has some stationery items, so she has to calculate the total number of stationery items. How to do? So she has to separate the stationery item name and how many are there, and then they can calculate how many items she has. Okay. So first write down the stationery items she purchased. Pencils. How many pencils? 4. Eraser 2. Rulers 2. Textbooks 18. Notebooks 10. Sharpener 1. Magazines 25. So here one graph. So we are going to represent this information as a graph. So use scale pencil, write one ruler here. So the items numbered. So the maximum item is 25 numbers of magazines. So you have to start from 0 and end with some 25 or 30. Okay. So you have to see which one is largest quantity. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So first pencils, how many pencils? It is 4. So here 5. So less than 5. So this will be 4. So draw one bar chart up to 4. Then eraser, how many eraser? 2. So here this is 5, this is 4. So less than this will be 2. So one small bar graph draw. Okay. Then rulers also 2, same size. Textbooks, how many textbooks? Textbooks 18. So this is 15, 20. So 18 will be in between 15 and 20. Here 16, 17, 18. So this much you can draw one bar chart. And then sharpener. Sharpener is only 1. So 0, 1. So smaller than 2. Smaller than the 2 bar graph, you have to draw one small bar graph here. And then magazines. How many magazines are there? 25. So up to 25 you have to draw one bar graph. Okay. So you have to write the information here. Okay. What is the quantity? Numbers of items here and the name of the items here. So how many items you have to refer the scale and draw up to that one bar graph. That is a square type shape. It is known as bar graph. Okay. So let us do one exercise here. So one example is given here. So here one bar chart is given. Coffee, tea, milk. They are asking the number of people who drink coffee. Here coffee. So what is the number here represented? It is 40. I will show you. So here coffee. So here number is highest is 40. How many drinks coffee? 40 members. Tea. Tea, see the scale. So here 70. So it is up to 70. So 70 members drink tea. And milk. Here see. So this is come under. So you can draw one's line also. So this is 20. So write the answer here. So the number of people who drink coffee. How many? Coffee 40. The drink liked by least people. Least means milk. Milk only small numbers. 20 members only drink milk. So milk is drink by least people. The drink liked by most people. Most people, which one is maximum number? 70. That is tea. So tea. Okay. So we are going to do the exercise of 6.2, page number 76. Okay. So first one we will answer in the book itself. One bar chart is given here, bar graph. Okay. So here this bar graph is for subject. Bar diagram of first term scores of students are given here. Tamil mark, English mark, Maths mark, Science, Social. So what is Tamil? Tamil highest mark. What is the highest mark? Here see 80. And English here, it is 60. Max is 90. And science, it is 80. And social science, here draw one line, it is 70. Okay, so now you know the maximum marks in each subject. So now try to answer the fill-ups. The highest score is in, which one is highest score? 90. 90 what subject? Max. Okay, the highest score is in Max. The lowest score is in, lowest, which one is lowest? 60. What is the subject? English, right? English. The same scores are in, same score. So here this is 80 and this subject also 80. What is the subject? 80. Come here, see the subject Tamil and see the subject Science. So Tamil and Science, they score 80 marks. So Tamil and Science. Okay. So first one Maths, second one English, third one Tamil and Science. They score the same marks, 80, 80. Okay. The next one, the score card of the players in a cricket match is given. Kannan 60, Rohit 40, Babu 50, Ramu 10. Draw a bar diagram. So we need to write the scores and the player name here, and we are going to draw one bar diagram. Use scale pencil. Okay. So we are going to write on bar diagram. So how many marks? 10, 50, 40, 60. 4 members. Okay. So the first person is Kannan. Okay. So I will write in pen. Kannan. Kannan. First player name Kannan. Second player name Rohit. And third player name Babu. And fourth player name Ramu. So write the player names here and their scores. So it is in the multiples of 10. So in the table we can write it in a multiples of 10. Start from 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Then what is the score of Kannan? So we know that score of Kannan is 60. So up to 60 you have to draw one table for Kannan here. So before and after this line you can draw one straight line. For bar chart up to 60 you have to draw. Up to 60. So draw the line up to 60. Use scale pencil. Okay. So Rohit. What is the score of Rohit? 40. So here 40. So up to 40 you have to draw one bar diagram. So here up to 40 you draw lines. So here 40. Next one Babu. The score of Babu is 50. So up to 50 you have to draw one line here. Here draw 50. and Ramu score is 10. So here 10, place the scale 10 here. So Ramu is here, the line. So here draw one line here, horizontal line, and then cover this. See, so Ramu is, you know that Ramu is 10 and Babu, what is the score? 50, Rohit 40 and Kannan 60. So this is the way to draw the bar graph. Okay, so player name here, their scores are here. So according to that score, Kannan means 60. So up to 60 you have to draw one horizontal line. Okay, so this represents Kannan. Before and after, draw two vertical lines, here one horizontal line. This is one bar graph. Okay, if you want you can color it in different colors. Okay, so hope you understand how to draw the bar graph. Okay, thank you kids. So I will send the photocopy. I copied it down in a classwork. Thank you. Bye kids. Take care.